Ohaneze ndị be kenekwa m unu biko achọrọ m kwunu nke ihe ezogoku and some kwesịrị analyze ya ihe melo Okwuluora Ndigbo Okwuluora Ndigbo, especially that voice note on post, especially that voice note, that voice note gboku such a kwunu kwulu kwada kwunu no kwa kwesịrị eme gini cheap way in more light into it. So at the end of this video, as you are watching, don't forget to subscribe, like our post, and also don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Call the one.
As funny as this phone call conversation though, let us listen to it and analyze it.
One of the commander, when I show you, I won't find man, not if you understand what I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. Because this is what I'm hearing now. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, because I wanted to debunk this now. I know how I got your line. Because I'm not going to contact
the commander security don't ever because actually my commander security never.
Come direct to the point. The day, we have security in this side. Everybody know that and we're better man in Nigeria. Yeah. Okay. We're better man. This guy na Okwuluora Ndigbo. Yeah, he came to Mwaka because when he came, Okwuluora and our security is any security personnel. People feel us about Oluku so tangible and Oluku somehow suspicious, you know. Okay. In the process, my boy is not coming that then when some people also beg this side. We're thinking that maybe all those people coming to attack. Abraham may attack.
You know the security na to go na the police na the security na be attack ya. You know the security never. Abagada ndị operation udo gashi a na-atụ ụjọ na ndị polisi ndị operation udo gashi fụ moto ndị polisi a na-atụ ụjọ. That would be very funny.
No, but the hill also the information we're having is only one hill one time. All wouldn't that they want email attack. They can't easily use one hill. They will use more. The hill also they come is a more tanker.
Nanda be attack. Na how you one hill also with ya. Na how you even a more tanker. You know the kind of security the police in Abia attacking for. Only one yesterday. No, Okwuluora Ndigbo na atọrọ ha. May you visit this kind of security people in your one day you will be appropriate within the security. You what I go?
That's what I will feel. But I'm not that will be like 20, 30 or 15.
Now security versus security.
That's okay, maybe before any other
security now be attack is in the security be ha.
I think name innocent people. Something happen to them. That's okay. Let them first check very well. That whether okay. The information we have is I'm sure this guy, after this guy, that's all Okwuluora by name, moving to they say afterwards the name for me. Say let follow this guy online. I'm this guy. Happen here. After me come the person now. Okay, I went like 30 minutes because my Abraham time. I went like 30 or 35 minutes because I was too close. If you just take a nigga, after everything, one conversation, Mr. Okwuluora, like him, that's okay. One person you wanted that also with one guy like that, but there are 3 numbers. My body, we talk very well. I'm going to get you doing. If I'm fine, if this guy, if I'm talking in this planet, whatever, every month, because I am 100% sure about something. That is, I'm fine with it on my mom. What it takes.
Yeah. Frankly, no,
onye kucha me ha address o mo Japan ma do my boy ma do mo do there when no na no ya say mo ji moto ye and some of your phone that's and
security kunu jezinene owo do nde oruche no ha keni funu ji phone ye eme keni funu ji moto ye eme as nde security nye etu a Nnewi no kita ifu onye bu takuma ma ohere oso bata Nnewi nde security eje jide na le phone okoro sere na part of ụmụaka Igbo ya jeru no go stand e ma ko de ọsọ na agbofe na Nnewi ife ị gafọ ebe atụ Nnewi more than 15 years ya agbofe orizi kerife olu ji wee fu years na panic number 1 number 2 why that motor Okwuluora ji wee do spotted to the heroes make ihe ejide na Nnewi heroes make ihe ejide n'obodo ndị ọzọ ebe enwe free movement na agụrụ make una dey play the other go unu jide Okwuluora jide phone ye jide motor for what jide passport ye for what ogosilo na if a strange motor ka have battle in that particular area suddenly na they pray na support them every ndị Igbo wetin concern me
passport Marcia how can I say when everything belongs to this guy and hand this guy over
authority
in my presence there I didn't left
security
one iPhone Samsung and one Redmi so when they got all young to one phone and you only got all young to the two phone in here must tell how to on young like motor that is Takuma or something like that Takuma yeah so the boom he was going to be so he was going to be I'm the one that said the same man keep me now again that's it must equal one bag of rice and I go this is what I that's him when I don't check in account here I will actually well must know me on that
kelu on that condition Okwuluora no we go unu check ye ife no na account here I meet ndudo gachi steady I meet the police steady police go go choro ife mo udo gachi won le flache appreciate ha e ma ya kana ime ha under what condition under what circumstances Okwuluora Ndigbo no we si unu wo la ko unu check ife no na account here ka unu wolu it's a question una doesn't name under what certain condition unu we go unu check ife no na account we wolu unu doesn't mean unu na eme no na force ha force no na eme if America na dey play
no my man you couldn't carry me now there ma
I don't want that place
that's what going to get you to one na chinede ngam no so dey me 500,000 naira kwesi na oh it's 500,000 na mchokwa echi ka nwo ụzọ ebe nwe mmadụ gbuem ebe mmadụ kwa nga ahụhụ na achọ ya so eme bọọlụ so dey 500,000 naira after fine and they took the 500,000 na mmadụ oge mụ ngaba ịna okwu na ọsọ dey 500,000 naira onye ọbụla mere mpụwa ahịa ma ihe ọzọ na-awụ ihe niile ha ma hazi ọ ma ha
keri force unu yeme as ndị security unu onye ọzọ ya wọpụ ebe o mi for keri force ndị security ọ bụrụ ndị security na-achụ udo ndị ntọkọ unu na-aka ife unu na-aka unu ndị ntọ isi ebe a pụwa ịgbakwiri ndị udo gachi kọmanda ha sị na ọ pụwa ebe a mmadụ emekwa n'ife ọzọ keri force unu yeme keri force unu yeme
because we are into law here my driver out reaching the next day now my boy I come hand there cause him oga na only 400,000 naira at the guy here mas you dealing and push 100,000 naira this is what I said you just like push 100,000 let's say 400,000 naira that's okay alpha yes only POS na who use 11,000 naira that's only POS are you hearing me I'm not getting it. Only POS is 11,000. Yes, only POS. Now we use 11,000 naira. Deal with we put there. I'm okay, fine. 11,000. Charges got too much. Yes, now my leg on an azay. So this is what that my boy told me. Then no, it's me 789,000. If that present I got such money, no. I use my own money, make it 11,000. I complete 400,000 naira. Even on my inside, we now have some calls that we have some expenses reach almost 1.5 million naira expenses, and I called my boss, okay, to help me transfer 1.1 million. Can we say, coach, this guy here, 400,000 naira. Can we just solve that problem here?
What are the funny? So when Okwuluora said that you people collected the whole money, or the one, or I don't know, you know 500,000, at the end of the day, and obviously, no group with 500,000 under panic. A reason at POS, it is clear that the last money on account here 400,000, and that man and they will confirm more, not 400,000. Because how did 500,000 come to 400,000? No one on a phone here. Phone at the amount is 400,000. To the point that he could not even add charges to it, 11,000. He could not even add charges. 11,000. We were put there. So, Okwuluora Ndigbo na amakoje ego ni media na apa. Or the wrong, and which kind of security can you have anywhere? 500,000 less to work. On actual the Igbo moon is open. Or go to name with expenses 1.5 million. Which expenses? Which kind of security? Which kind of security they have? Yeah?
Okay, me send them the money. Me will say go. This guy he rubbish with the 400,000. But what I wanted to let you know is that now this guy, what he told me in face, not gave me 500,000 naira. But to prove this thing, not to me find out the POS who made this thing now. Let me print alarm out. Let me confirm what this guy is saying. And you print that out, I'm a talk away. Maybe I will send you my WhatsApp number. Send this for you. And this is okay, man who a kidnapper. Me moto ye. Me phone here.
I know. What do you mean by your phone? Mmadụ onye ka kidnap channel hapụrụ moto hapụrụ ole ma phone ha aka hụ nkwo emerie ụfọdụ sef eburu ha agba transfer n'ụzọ ahapụkwa ha ịma mmadụ onye megorie na-ekwu nwanne m nwaanyị mgbe ebuje ọrụ transfer ka ha gbara n'ụzọ ahapụ ha n'ụzọ hapụkwa bụ ife ha niile ị na-ahụ n'ọkata na-akọ ife na-akọ agwa m unu na-ekwu n'isi okwu efuna 500,000 ekwuru 400 ego ahụ ife na-eso okwu eji wee chọ ka amalụ exactly ego Okwuluora wụda. Which kind of security na ife ana m ajụghị ajụjụ? Which kind of security eburu mmadụ? Which kind of security na-atụ ụjọ ndị polisi na-asị na ndị polisi na-abịa ataki ha? Ijụkwa onwe ya ajụjụ a. Which kind of security na-asị na ndị polisi na-abịa ataki ha nke abụọ vehicle? Kedu dị security na ife a? Or this security ngwunwa ya like encounter? I now publicize this criminality. Do you see me?
Yeah, we kidnapper. If you show me, or watch this guy, I'm or inside the barrack or whatever, or inside camp.
So where the camp? Where barracks? So where the camp? Where barracks? No, now we have not. God is watching.
This guy, I don't know what's here, man. He may be a hall. People crowd is there. I never know bad.
Ụmụaka adịgo na use ife na-eme na ha adụzi ha ka ife ọdago ha adịgo use ife na-eme ha adụzi ha ka ife ọhụrụ ya ka ndị ụmụaka ji wee pụta na-asọpọtụ ụnụ ka ụlọ na-eme ife ụnụ na-eme. So why ha eji wee doboda this normal thing na-emebe ha? Jụọ onwe ya ajụjụ a. Let me not even continue to play this video further. Even to play this voice because Nande mother music we decide there for once. Let me play it. Number one, nobody who go to a nail widow. Or if we lost Konaga, a dopamine. Ebe mana, he lost gapu, he lost aga, he lost gapu, motaga. It is only in a lonely and deserted place, even if you for such kind of vehicle, you begin to panic. You will spot what that motor. Number one. Number two, get the kind of security age them mado. Na call your phone, you mean na your passport, your blue mote. Number two. Number three, get the kind of security in a settle to the tune of 500,000, and you are even giving them an option of either through your account, which kind of security? Brother, are you talking out of your own free will? When something not there in a phone. Now, after job, you that is another one. Then to crown it all, the security na-atụ saying na ndị polisi wu emebi ha na ndị polisi na-eji amọ vehicle abịa attack ha. Jụọ onwe ya ajụjụ. Kedu the kind of no security level? Ịjụcha onwe ya ajụjụ a. Ese n'ime onwe gị. Above all, ngwa onye so ekwu na atọrọ Okwuluora Ndigbo. Ngwa onye so ekwu na Okwuluora Ndigbo bụ ndị mmadụ wayo. By no na anakoje ego niile dị n'aka and of a true if na anakoje ego niile dị n'aka because ma ọ bụrụgodu n'ife ha wụ na account n'ife onye ha 400,000 he promised to give them 500. Why o ji wee uze 400 ka onye ha all the last money dị na account. Now why waiting hold the charges all because no one any other money do there how you will. So what it shows is that na ha wuje the last money dị n'aka, which is not support to claim Okwuluora kwuru atọrọ Okwuluora. The answer is yes. Mana ngwa onye kwuru na atọrọ Okwuluora, I pray for you today. May you meet the kind of these security people Okwuluora meeting. May the loving and caring security people, very wonderful and sweet people, ndị nwere obi ọma, ndị nwere obi umeala, ndị nọ na safeguard ụmụaka and anyi Igbo. May those kind of security meet you on your way in the mighty name of Jesus. Such kind of a Okwuluora encounter will be your portion in the mighty name of Jesus. You are going to encounter them. You will have a handshake with them. You will hug them. They will walk you up to where you will go to every day in the mighty name of Jesus. You got to go. Security, 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 security. You will meet those kind of security people. Let us know now your encounter. Or as sweet as in Okwuluora Ndigbo. They only left Okwuluora because of Okwuluora. They only left Okwuluora because of Nahafu. They are Okwuluora. If Okwuluora may speak for him, is your own case going to be the same? Answer yourself this question. Are you going to be as lucky as Okwuluora? Or question in a journal. Now we want all these people who make noise on social media to go to Umuaka and meet these security people. Have a video with them, make a video with them, snap pictures with them. We want to see these security people having no security or research. Njokite jemu do gachi office. Njokite jemu police station. Whoever I'm gonna make police and say photo, make video. Because if we want you to take a trip to them, whoever is say video kaifo. Ah, frankly, no one them. Frankly, no one them. I am not the whole easy man. It's God. They decided to call you one day. I don't want to say anything, man. If you want to if I don't wish you Okwuluora, I am wishing it to you people 100%. I arrest my case. Security man, gallant security man. Hey, then turn up as the public, as they say so. Maybe conversation with people. Hey, Chineke. And if we go,